Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are welcome back, okay? If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a track with of fun. Yes. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting my channel. Thank you for watching my videos each time I make a new upload. Okay? Good. Before we delve into what we have for today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Ngwan, kaiba funi also. In today's video, we are looking at various illnesses as they are called in Igbo language, okay? Yes. So let's start with headache. Headache. In Igbo, we call that ishi owuwa. Ishi owuwa. Ishi owuwa for headache. Okay? Ishi na wam. Ishi na awam simply means my head aches. My head aches, or I have a headache. Okay? Good. We also have migraine, a migraine. A migraine is a severe headache, okay? In Igbo, we call a migraine okili mbawa ishi. Okili mbawa ishi. Okili mbawa ishi for a migraine, okay? Ishi owa, headache. Then okili mbawa ishi. Okili mbawa ishi. Okili mbawa ishi. Okili mbawa ishi for migraine, okay? Okili mbawa ishi for migraine. Simple, right? Yes. Alright, the next on our list is cholera. Cholera, okay? Cholera. In Igbo, we call that oya obubo na onyonyo. Okay? Oya obubo na onyonyo. Oya obubo. Obubo means vomit, vomiting and stooling. Obubo na onyonyo. Vomiting and stooling. Obubo na onyonyo. So we have oya obubo na onyonyo for cholera. For cholera, okay? Yes. The next on our list is dysentery. Dysentery. In Igbo, we call that oya onyonyo obala. Oya onyonyo obala. Obala is blood. Onyonyo is stooling. So stooling blood. So we have oya onyonyo obala for dysentery. Okay? Good. We also have cough. Cough. In Igbo, we call that ukwala. Ukwala. Ukwala for cough. Ukwala for cough. Yes. Then we also have tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. We call that ukwala nta. Ukwala nta. Ukwala nta. Ukwala nta. Okay? Then we have yellow fever or jaundice. Yellow fever or jaundice. We call that iba ochananya. Iba ochananya for jaundice or yellow fever. Iba ochananya for jaundice or yellow fever. Then we have malaria. Malaria. We call that iba. We call that iba. Iba for malaria. Iba. Then we call fever aru oku. Aru oku for fever. Aru oku for fever. Okay? We also have diarrhea. Diarrhea. We call that oya afo osisa. Oya afo osisa. That's stomach upset. Diarrhea. Okay? Oya afo osisa. That's for diarrhea. Now we also have diabetes. Diabetes. Oya sugar. oya, sugar, for diabetes. Then pneumonia, oyi, oya, oyi, for pneumonia. Then oya, sugar, for diabetes. Oya, sugar, for diabetes. We also have asthma, ụkwara ume ọkụ, ụkwara ume ọkụ. Then we have arthritis or rheumatism. We call that ogbu na nkwonkwo. Ogbu na nkwonkwo. Nkwonkwo has to do with your joints, okay? Ogbu has to do with pain. So we call arthritis or rheumatism ogbu na nkwonkwo. Ogbu na nkwonkwo. So before we forget, sickness in Igbo is called oya. Oya, for sickness or illness or ailment, okay? Oya. That brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Yes. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. See you in my next video. Bye.